Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is David Dance. I know you guys were desperately waiting for this video. I'm so super excited about this new OpenAI's chatbot called ChatGPT. The sky's the limit with this cool and powerful AI. In this video, I'm going to only focus on one thing: how to use ChatGPT for investing purposes. Watch this video till the end, as I have used ChatGPT to write a simple code for the TradingView platform. ChatGPT is like Google search on steroids. It can do amazing things. It can write resumes, write cover letters, it can write music, it can solve complex mathematical problems, you can do the translation, you can prepare for the job interview, it can write and debug programming codes, it can do the arts, decorations, party themes, jokes, give some ideas. You name it, it can do it. Obviously, any technology has some limitations. So what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence chatbot that can answer just about any question you throw at it. ChatGPT is created by OpenAI, a San Francisco-based AI and a research company. ChatGPT was launched on November 30, 2022 and has gained immense popularity since then. Microsoft recently invested $10 billion in this company. Also, for your information, there is a connection between Elon Musk and this company. So how can you get started with ChatGPT? Go to chat@openai.com and you can enter your email address and you can sign up. It is absolutely free as of today. And you will see an interface like this with examples, with capabilities and limitations. All you have to do is to write your question at the bottom. So for this video, I typed two questions. My first question was how ChatGPT can help investors. My second question was similar, and it was how investors and traders can benefit from ChatGPT. So based on the above responses, I only focused on 4 ChatGPT benefits for the investors. I'm sure there are more benefits that can be found, but I was just trying to focus on 4 things. So my first category was ask investing questions. So I basically asked 4 investing related questions. So question number 1, I just turned 18 and I only have $1,000 to invest. What investing options do I have? Question number 2, I have a full-time job but no time. How can I start investing? Question number 3, in investing, there is a saying, the trend is your friend until it ends. What does it actually mean? Question number 4, how to decide when to retire? So the next category was find trading and investing ideas, and I asked 3 questions in this category. Question number 1, any ideas of dividend stocks? Question number 2, any ideas of dividend aristocrat stocks? Question number 3, any ideas of good fundamental stocks? On the third category, which is the write an investing strategy, so there was only one question in this category: can you write a detailed swing trading strategy? In the fourth category, writing trading bots like algos or coding, I asked one question. I asked ChatGPT to write a PineScript code for moving average crossover. I use the free TradingView charting platform, and it uses the PineScript coding language. So after a few iterations, the ChatGPT gave me this coding language. I copied the code and pasted in the PineScript editor of the TradingView charting platform, and I say apply to the chart. And see what happened. It actually tells me when to buy and when to sell. You can change the settings. You can change from the daily chart to the weekly chart to the hourly chart to the minute chart, whatever. You can change any settings you want. I just wanted to do a simple test, and this is what I got. It is absolutely amazing. I'm not a computer scientist or a programmer, but the results what I got from ChatGPT is absolutely mind-blowing. The sky's the limit. It is so powerful, and I will use it quite a lot. Thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.